Hello there, my name is Vitor, and in today's episode I'm going to build the Mandalorian tracking fob that actually works. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, a tracking fob is a short-range sensor used by the bounty hunters to track their victims. This device first appeared in the chapter 1 of the Mandalorian series, where we can see Din Djarin, the Mandalorian, using it to find Grogu, the baby Yoda. So how can we bring this amazing technology to reality? In a very simple way. Let me explain my idea. This is our tracking fob, and this is a TV remote controller. My idea is to make some simple modifications in this controller so it can send random signals at every time as long as it is connected to the battery. And this will work as the infrared receiver from your TV. And when this sensor gets near the remote controller, it will make sounds and light up the red LED. So, let's do it!
Alright, this box of Mentos has a rectangular shape and enough space to put all the electronics inside it. So let's drill some holes in it for the wires and the red LED, and then paint it gray. This is a simple representation of the circuit. If you are making this project at home and have any questions about it, feel free to put it in the comments. I will help you as soon as I see your message. This is the infrared receiver, the component responsible for detecting the signal sent from our modified remote control. The transistor BC557 will amplify the electric pulse sent from the receiver to the LED and the buzzer. The buzzer is the component that makes the noises. But before the signal reaches the LED and the buzzer, it passes by a 1000 microfarad capacitor that stores energy for a short period of time. This period will be defined by the capacitor value. I recommend something between 500 and 1000 microfarad. make it look like some Star Wars technology, of course we're going to need some dribblies. The emitter is made out of an old infrared remote controller, which I modified putting a piece of aluminum foil between one button connections. So as long as the remote have a power supply, it will never stop sending a random signal.
And now it's time to test it.
At the end, it doesn't look too similar to the ones we see on the movies, but I like to think it is a different version of it, made specifically for the Imperial troops. And those scribblies gave this device a war equipment look. Well, thanks a lot for watching. If you like this project, please hit that like button, subscribe to see more projects like this, and may the force be with you.